Hey, what's up? My name is Emmanuel and welcome to my V-Flat world. Hey, what's up? My name is Manuel. I'm here today with V-Flat World. We're going to be shooting singer-songwriter Giassi Clark from St. Croix, US Virgin Islands, and I'm going to show you how we achieve some of these looks with a couple of lights and some V-Flats. Since we're shooting in an area that is mostly white, I want to stop light from coming from one direction, so I'm going to be putting the V-Flat against this wall. Okay, so let's get you to come right in here. I'll show you what is happening depending on what side of the V-Flat we use. If I were to use the white side of the V-Flat, I would be adding more fill light from the window light that's coming in. But since we want to do a more dynamic shot, I'm going to be removing the white, and I'm just going to be putting the black side of the V-Flat. This is going to be the first setup, so we're going to go ahead and take a couple pictures, and then we'll show you how they look at the end. So I'm gonna add one more V-Flat to this setup for the close-up shot. I really like to have a catch light in the eyes on the bottom. Okay, so now we're gonna switch to the second setup. He's gonna be doing a more formal look, so I'm gonna most likely be using a darker background and showing you one of my favorite lighting setups. So this is one of my favorite setups, like I was saying. I like to put two V-Flats to make this C shape with the black sides facing in. Now this setup is perfect when you have natural light that's coming in. With the natural light spilling all over the place right now, because the V-Flats are on both sides on the black side, they're spilling over the top, which is giving like a nice hair light. And it's also coming right in the front, which is filling in really nice, but it's still keeping some dimensionality on the sides because of the black. So let's see how some of these come out.